Hello guys, welcome to Logics Hub. Can you find the value of this expression? If you are talented, then solve this question just in 35 seconds. So mostly people can solve this question wrong method. He can write it as that 2 divided by 2 equal to 1 divided by 2 times 2 equal to 4. Now from here 1 divided by 4 equal to 0.25. But guys, this answer is wrong because the order of operation, which is PEMDAS rule. I can solve this question according to PEMDAS rule. So here 2 divided by 2 equal to 1. Okay, divided by 2 times 2. Okay, now from here 1 divided by 2, I can write it as 1 divided by 2 times 2. From here 2 times 1 equal to 2 divided by 2. And 2 divided by 2 guys equal to 1. This is the final answer of this expression. If anywhere you can face an issue, then comment of this question. Thanks for watching.